The benefits of Lagundi leaves. Lagundi or Vitex negundo is native to the Philippine Islands and has been used for centuries because of its therapeutic properties. It is a large shrub which can grow up to 5 meters tall, with a single thick woody stem like a trunk. Its leaves are pointed and having 5 leaflets set like a hand. Most of the parts of the Lagundi plant have medicinal values, which is why it is actively promoted by the Philippine Department of Health. It is one of the 10 herbal medicines endorsed by the Philippine Department of Health as an effective herbal medicine with proven therapeutic value. Commonly known in the Ilocos region as dangla, Lagundi has been clinically tested to be effective in the treatment of colds, flu, bronchial asthma, chronic bronchitis, and pharyngitis. Studies have shown that Lagundi can prevent the body's production of leukotrienes, which are released during an asthma attack. Lagundi contains Chrysoplenol D, a substance with anti-histamine and muscle relaxant properties. Even in Japan, Lagundi is becoming recognized as an effective herbal medicine, especially since researches have shown that it contains properties that make it an expectorant, and it has been reported to function as a tonic as well. More than that, most of the parts of the Lagundi plant have medicinal value. The roots of this shrub are also used as treatment for rheumatism, dyspepsia, boils, and leprosy. The leaves, flowers, seeds, and root of Lagundi can all be used as herbal medicine. A decoction is made by boiling the parts of the plant and taken orally. Today, Lagundi is available in capsule form and syrup for cough. For its part, the flowers are recommended as a cardiac tonic, as cure for liver diseases, and other internal disorders such as diarrhea and cholera. The Lagundi plant also has anti-inflammatory functions, and its cooling effects are ideal as treatment for skin diseases such as leprosy. Lagundi for cough and fever procedure. Among the medicinal uses of Lagundi are to stop coughing, relieve asthma, facilitate the discharge of phlegm, and to lower fever due to colds or flu. It is also a pain reliever for headache and toothache. For cough, asthma and fever, Lagundi leaves, either dried or fresh, are boiled in 2 glasses of water for at least 15 minutes. This boiled mixture is called among experts as decoction. To stop coughing, take 1/2 glass of decoction 3 times a day. In addition, drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to further help loosen phlegm. If you're suffering from asthma, take 1/3 glass of decoction 3 times a day. However, if your asthma does not improve after 1 dose of the decoction or when the attack is severe, consult your physician right away. For fever, take 1/2 glass of decoction every 3 hours, or as needed. To relieve headache, heat enough fresh Lagundi leaves over a fire until slightly wilted. Then crush the leaves and apply on forehead and temples. Bandage the leaves in place. Change the dressing every 4 hours when needed. If you liked this video, please subscribe and share. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates.